how to see all participants in Google Meet Grid View. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Meet on your device and then go ahead and join the meeting that you want to see in Grid View. Now, tap on the three dots you see there and then select the Change Layout option. Further, in the pop-up that appears, select the tiled option you see there. Also, go ahead and adjust the maximum tiles to display depending on the window size slider. You can choose from up to 6 tiles to up to 49 tiles. You can also go ahead and enable or disable the hide tiles without video option. With this, the tiles with no video will not be visible in the grid view. So this is how you can see all participants in Google Meet Grid View. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.